You understand that? Because in Arabic we say whenever he hated. But here, we don't talk like that. So we would say whenever he hates. Whenever in the future he hates, that's when we're seeking the evil from his evil. Does that make sense to you?
Yeah.
Okay. So, this is just the linguistic breakdown of this surah. Now, we're going to go through it a little bit different now so that we can memorize the parts and principles of this surah. Like we said earlier, in your paper, hey, my king, some of these people don't have the lady said they don't have the 12 surah, that piece of paper. On your paper it says, in 12 surah there's ikhtilaf amongst the senior scholar staff. In Fatiha, Falaq al-Naas, Mutaffafeen, Dal Ikhlas, Rahman al-Ra'd al-Bayyina, Al-Taghabun al-Zalzala, Al-Qadaru along with Saf, no one's word is deemed enough. In these 12 surah, there's ikhtilaf about where they came from. So now this week we're doing the second surah, and the second surah is Falaq, and the third one is Naas. On your paper it says in 12 surah there's ikhtilaf along the senior scholars gap, and in Fatiha, Falaq and Naas. So here, Falaq and Naas. These two surah, we're going to deal with them together because they came down together. And the poem goes like this, for memorization. (113) 14th spot. Mecca's the place most say they dropped. Revealed to break all evil plans that's from the devils jinns and mans. Five lines. Make surah Falaq. And here we write it like this. Falaq. Because people need to pronounce it properly. Falaq. Everybody say Falaq. Falaq. And it's not Falaq. It's Falaq. Lam fatah la. Say that. La. Falaq. It means the dawn, a tear, a crack. Six lines. Surat Naas defined. Means human beings or mankind. Okay, let's go over this real quick. Falaq and Naas. 113, 14th spot. Mecca is the place most say they dropped. Revealed to break all evil plans. That's from the devils, jinns, and mans. 5 lines make up Surah Falaq. 5 lines make up Surah Falaq. It means the dawn, a tear, a crack. 6 lines, Surah Naas defined, means human beings or mankind. What is the guy talking about here? What is the poet speaking about in this case? We said in the first chapter in this book, it says, Tafseeru 101 is what we're going to do. We're going to break each surah down for every one of you. From whence it came, its length and name, its placement, and just what it claims. So let's see if we came with everything in these 5 lines, or 1, 2, 3, 4 lines of poetry doubled, or couplets as they say. It says 113-14 spot. What is it talking about right there?
Because this is came together, these two surah, that's why you...
Right, because these two surah came together, their placement is the 113th and 14th surah. So if you're asked, Surah Al-Falaq and Naas, what number surah are they?
That should be 113 or 14.
113 and 14. Both of them are 113 and 14 surah. Okay? That's its placement. Mecca is the place most say they drop. So where did it come from?
Mecca.
Are you sure? This doesn't say that.
This is ikhtilaf.
There's ikhtilaf, right? Didn't we say that in 12 surah there's ikhtilaf amongst the senior scholar staff? In Fatiha, Falaq, and Naas. So in Surah Al-Falaq and Naas, most of the scholars say it came from Mecca. But some people say it came from Medina. For example, when you look at Ibn Kathir's tafsir, he says these two surah come from Medina. But if you look at any mushaf in the world, they will mostly say what? That it came from Mecca. If you ask different scholars, they'll say it came from Mecca. So there's ikhtilaf amongst the senior scholars whether it came from Mecca or Medina. The strongest opinion is that it came from Mecca. Okay? So, 113-14 spot, Mecca is the place most say they dropped, revealed to break all evil plans. So it says revealed to break all evil plans. What is that telling us?
If you don't about the make plans, this is this surah can break them.
That's from the devils, jinns, and mans. Saying that the reason why this surah was revealed was to be a protection and to break up the evil plots and plans of the devils. And the devils are come from 2 sources. Devils from amongst the genies and devils that come from amongst mankind. Because there are people that are devils too. And this sort of proves that. Then it goes on there, 5 lines make up Surah Falaq. How many ayat are in Surah Al-Falaq? There are 5 ayat. Lines here means ayat. So there's 5 ayat that make up Surah Al-Falaq. What does Surah Al-Falaq mean? It means the dawn, a tear, a crack. So we know the meaning of the word of the surah. Okay? And that's very important for us to know what the names of these surah mean. Then 6 lines, Surah Al-Nas defined means human beings or mankind. So how many ayat is in Surah Al-Nas?
6.
6 ayat in Surah Al-Nas. How many in Surah Al-Falaq?
5.
5. And we know that. And if we memorize this, we'll have it for ourselves. And what does Nas mean?
Human.
Human beings or? Same thing. So can I erase this from the board?
Yes.
1 second.